Hi Gareth, at this point of the evening, but what will this mean for the development of the team?
Yeah, obviously the result is disappointing. I think we obviously want to implement the things that we're learning from the new manager, the new regime. And obviously there's a lot of new young players, so there's going to be, I suppose, slight up and downs, but I think we can take the positives. We were in the game for large parts. I think the penalty really kind of made our chances a little bit more harder, but it's a learning curve for us, something that we need to correct, and obviously the future's still bright for us. We've still got a lot of potential, still got a lot to learn, and it'll make us better, I'm sure.
And of course you captained Wales tonight as well, so a proud moment despite the defeat. What did it mean?
Yeah, not a massive honour for me personally. To captain my country, obviously a dream fulfilled now, and but the most important thing was the performance and the result, which I thought we worked very hard. We tried. We just sometimes it doesn't come off in football, but I think we'll learn from this. We'll get better from this loss, and that's the most important thing.
And of course, just finally, the Nations League matches come thick and fast, so there's another opportunity next month to get over this defeat. Yeah,
definitely. It's more difficult playing 2 games in a row rather than obviously Denmark only having 1. We obviously, I think the 2 other teams now will have double headers, which will obviously make it more difficult for them. But we'll get back on the training pitch next month. We'll kind of correct what we did wrong, and we'll take the positives from the game, and we'll keep improving like we have been.